Faraday Future has announced the completion of its first production-build vehicle, the FF91 Futurist, off its production line at the FFIE factory, located in Hanford, California. The FF91 vehicle is the only ultimate Intelligent TechLuxury electric vehicle, and it features an industry-leading 1,050 horsepower, an EPA-certified range of 381 miles, and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 2.27 seconds. The first vehicle rolling off the line has undergone many rounds of updates and upgrades, both in terms of hardware and software, to optimize product quality and improve efficiency in subsequent stages. The company recently announced its three-phase delivery plan for the FF91 vehicle, allowing the most flexibility for its manufacturing operations and market demand, while delivering the best product to its users. The first phase is expected to begin at the end of May, with the second and third phases following. With the FF91, Faraday Future is poised to make a significant impact on the ultra-luxury car market. Su-Feng Chen, global CEO of Faraday Future, stated, "The first car was successfully assembled, and the core software system operated smoothly. This marked the first time in Faraday's history that its established production process was completed." Faraday Future is the pioneer of the ultimate Intelligent TechLuxury ultra-spire market in the intelligent EV era and a disruptor of the traditional ultra-luxury car industry. Shares of Faraday Future trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol FFIE. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.